Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you lesson 5 Minerals and Energy Resources, page 53 54. Our first topic is what are the uses of manganese? Manganese has been used for the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloys. Ferromanganese means iron and manganese alloys. It has been also used for manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides and paints. Next, name the leading producer state of manganese in the year 2000 and 2001. It was Odisha. Where do we use the non-ferrous minerals? We are using the non-ferrous minerals in metallurgical industries related to metals production, engineering and electrical industries. With reference to copper and bauxite, that is aluminium, answer the following. Number 1. Properties of both the things. Aluminium and bauxite, copper and bauxite, both are malleable, that means it can be drawn into sheets. They are ductile, it can be drawn into wires, and they are good conductors of electricity. Uses of copper and bauxite. It is used in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industries. Mines of copper and bauxite. Copper mines Balaghat in Madhya Pradesh. Bauxite mines Amarkantak Plateau and Maikala Hills in Madhya Pradesh. Bilaspur in Chhattisgarh and Katni in Madhya Pradesh. Name the leading producer state of bauxite in the year 2000-2001. It is once again Odisha. Name the most important bauxite deposits of India. It is Panchpatmalli in Koraput district of Odisha. It is lying in the southern part of Odisha there. Panchpatmalli. Explain some historical importance of aluminium. Emperor Napoleon III wore buttons and hooks on his clothes made of aluminium. He used to serve the food to his most illustrious guests in aluminium utensils, and the less honorable ones served in gold and silver utensils. Later on, aluminium bowls were most common with the beggars in Paris. It became the utensils of the beggars. With reference to mica, answer the following. Properties. It has good dielectric strength, that means to store the charges. It has low power loss factors, means it is helping in the very low or less power loss tendency. It is used in insulating property and resistance to high voltage. It is resisting to high voltage. It is used in capacitor and condensers in the transformer. They are using the high capacitors in which mica is being used there. Uses. It is used in electric and electronic industries. Mines. Kodarma, Gaya Hazaribagh belt in Jharkhand, Ajmer in Rajasthan, Nellore in Andhra Pradesh. Colors. It is found in clear, black, green, red, yellow and brown. Physical form. It is made up of series of plates or leaves. It splits easily into thin sheets and we can get 1000 sheets per 1 centimeter mica. What are the various hazards of mining? The dust and noxious fumes inhaled by miners make them vulnerable to miners related to pulmonary disease, lungs disease. The risk of collapsing of mine roofs, inundation, fire, coal mines are constant threat to the miner. The roof in the mines they may collapse and lead to the death of large number of miners, and mines fire also been caused, which leads to death of many people, because coal mines are very much prone to mines fires there. Water sources of the region gets contaminated. They are unfit for drinking because the dust particles of the minerals they get deposited on the water, which makes it contaminated. Dumping of waste and slurry leads to degradation of land, soil, increase in stream and river pollution. Because these slurry, waste materials, slurry literally means minerals mixed with water, is being dumped in the nearby area, which is polluting the water there. Then, with reference to limestone, answer the following. Where it has been found? It has been found in association with rocks composed of calcium carbonate, calcium or magnesium carbonate. It is found in sedimentary rocks of most of the geological formation. What are the uses of this limestone? Basic raw material for the cement industry. It is used as a basic raw material to manufacture the cement. All the cement industries are using this limestone there. Then it is essential for smelting of iron in blast furnace. This limestone is mixed up with the iron ore in the blast furnace, and when it has been heated up with the coke or coke generally it has been used. After heating the furnace in 1000 degrees centigrade, the iron ore melts and reacts with the limestone and gets converted in the form of slag. And the opposite side of the furnace, we are getting the molten steel, molten iron, okay, which is been helpful for obtaining the steel there. So these are the uses of limestone. Thank you everyone.